obviously the movie has, I imagine, a lot of sex, a lot of sex scenes. Now, when you talk to actors when they're about to shoot or when they're shot sex scenes, usually it's a very, you know, kind of boring process, they say, or it's more stressful and less in the moment and less heated and passionate.
Right.
How are you guys able to kind of get in the moment during those scenes?
Jamie has a fluffer.
What's a fluffer?
Just kidding.
Just go ahead and tell all your secrets. What's a fluffer?
A fluffer doesn't need an explanation right now.
It was really inappropriate. I'm sorry.
I have to look
But
something
it's a worthy job, but we haven't required one yet.
I didn't even know that there was sex in this movie.
Yeah, it's news to me too.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh
yeah.
my! Wow.
Yeah,
Got a lot of reading to do then.
Should have read the book.